Every day I turn my radio on, nakikinig sa my one and only radio station.
Nasaan man ako, isa lang ang radyo ko, dahil more talaga dito sa aking paborito.
More tawanan, more tutugan, more kwentuhan, more kulitan, more kakilala, more kaibigan, more fun, more kasiyahan.
Ano ba ang ginagawa? Sino ba ang iyong kasama? Kami ang iyong barkada, saan man sulok ng bansa.
My only radio for life. With you I'll never have to feel alone. My only radio for life. You're the best friend that I've ever known. My only radio. Magbago man ang ikot ng mundo, one thing that I know, you are my only radio. You are my only radio for life.